In this video, let's learn how to find not interested videos and posts. If you have added in some videos or posts that you see to the not interested list, then in this video let me show you how and where you can find all of these posts. So whenever you tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on show fewer or not interested, this post will be immediately removed. Now the post that you recently removed, you can just tap on undo and the post will be back. But however, if there is a certain post that you've added to the not interested list and you cannot find the exact section where you did it, there is a separate section on Instagram where you can view that. So let me just tap on show fewer. Now you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. From here, head over to the three lines on the top right and then open up your activity. This is a section where you can view all of the recent activity, all of your activity history on your Instagram. From here, you just need to head over to interactions, and the last option that you see is show less suggested content. So if you tap on this option, you can see these are the posts that I have added to the not interested list, and this is the recent post as you can see. So you'll be able to view all of the posts that you've added to the not interested list. Now if you want to remove these posts, you can just tap on the select on the top right, and then you can individually select them all and then tap on remove. This way those posts will be removed from the not interested list. So that's how easily you can find Instagram not interested videos and posts. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.